We're gonna go ahead and look at the MGW short throw shifter array spec because it's going into 66 Mustang with MT82. Let's see. First and foremost, we got some padding and the heat resistant dynacorn. Looks like it's a double-sided sticky pad, so and then we do have this measurement and padding kind of rubber in the middle. I don't know if it's focused or not, but there you go. Kind of gives us a little bit idea of how wide our tunnel hole can be or should be. Let's see, we got a couple of zip ties. I don't know where they're supposed to go, but whatever. We'll keep them with a spare. Let's see what we got next. Alright, I try to zoom in, but apparently it's a fail, but it's just another padding. Let's see, this is the factory boot that comes with a shifter. Looks like they're powder coated it so it doesn't, become sticky or whatnot, but we'll go ahead and, clean it out whenever we install it, or just leave it as it is. I don't know, but they should give you a good idea of how much bigger the hole should be. Alright, now we do have these shackle looking thing. Pretty good finish, It looks like a CNC machined, perfect fit. And we kind of have to, I guess, loosen this bolts up to attach this both mechanical looking arms, robotic arms that looks like it, goes on the side of the transmission and kind of mounts there, so it has a little bit more of this motion or at least the grip. Put this aside for now. Let's see. Next we have our main guy. Alright, so just want to clean this up, but looks pretty solid. I mean, look at it. I think the whole thing is made of aluminum, I believe so, but I mean, check it out. It just looks high quality. That's where the main I guess that you remove the pin and then you pretty much insert into the ball joint of the shifter, and that pretty much secures it. And this is how we're gonna attach these right there. I believe so. They have given another set of screws which kind of holds all this together, but this is what it looks like. Alright, so feels kind of normal, or it doesn't feel too much of a drag, but I guess we'll figure that out once we install it. And it does have this pull on, pull off, reverse lockout. I'm not really sure if I was gonna install that or not, but as you can see, it does move up and down or horizontally, vertically. And let's see what we have. Oh, some Loctite and some nuts. Let's see, this is the safety cap that came up on top. Now we got some bowls. I believe so. This is the main bowl that goes for the top of the mount. That's where our original bolt was, and this kind of replaces that. You can still use the old one, but they give you one anyways. Yeah, we got some bushings here. Another blue Loctite, or sorry, that's a nut. Oh, there you go. These are the screws I was talking about to secure your mount, on the body. There we go. We got some extra nuts. I don't know where they're from, but there you go.